All right guys, How To Tuesday, and we're gonna finish off our spice quiver with chilies and limes. Check this out. I've got a bag here at the bulk section of the grocery store of just ground red chilies, just like you'd have at the pizza shop on the table, right, with the Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put those in the spice grinder. And same thing we did with our pepper, grind that up. All right, what that does, it opens it up, it makes it so that we can get more spread or not have to have these big chunks of chili. We can just get a little pinch like that. And a good way to know that you're at an awesome pizzeria in New York City is if they have salt shakers with chili ground up like this instead of the other style, okay? Other than that, we're gonna use lemons and limes for acidity, all right? For most things, we'll use the lemon, and then for all things kind of Mexican and Asian, we'll use the lime. There it was, guys. Ground red chili, lemons and limes, get them in your quiver, and follow along every week, because by the end of the year, you'll be a culinary ninja. This has been How To Tuesday. I'm Paleo Nick, and we'll see you next week.